If you were at Premiere Orlando 2026, then you know one booth had everybody talking. The Doux! From licensed cosmetologists and salon owners to beauty students and curl enthusiasts.
Hey, it's Maya Smith, CEO and co-founder of The Doux. We're hanging out today at the DouxGooders Diner. All of the diner vibes, all of the do-gooder vibes, combos that eat.
The Doux delivers performance-driven formulas designed for today's beauty professionals.
Combos that eat from the Doux.
Get you your favorite mousse, gel, shampoo, pull up because we want to see you. Hey y'all, I'm here at the Doux and I'm so excited. Here at the Premiere Beauty Show in partnership with Salon Centric. So licensed cosmetologists come every year to experience great education, all the vibes from the Doux. We're super excited to share our Doux approved combos that eat.
Crowds gather to experience the innovative products redefining textured hair care.
Step right in when rather good hair days begin. For the best definition in these streets.
The future of textured hair care is here. The Doux, where culture, creativity, and cosmetology collide.